Sorry guys about that. My dad was just trying to see what was going on. Okay, okay. Anyways, where was I? Oh yeah. So, well, actually, you know what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add this as a part 6 now since I had to re-edit that. So I'm gonna add this as a part 6. Okay. So we'll need some wire coming in. So take take some more Romex. So we'll need some wire coming in from it. Let's see here. So we can feed this through here. So I'll do that. I'll have a little bit of extra access here. Let's see. I think I'll cut the cord right about. See if you can. It's kind of hard to see. Right here. Yeah, like that. So I'll put that back in there, just like that. So I have enough access so I can wire it. Now I do have a plug that I can wire it with too, but today we're just gonna be wiring it up to this that I already have a plug wired into. So I'm gonna connect it right into there in just a moment. Okay, so let's see how we're gonna do our switch. So let's see how much access wire we need. So I think what I'll do is I'll bend that. Bend that in there like that, so we have extra access. And let's see, how far do I want this? Because I think we want it right about. Because I want to have a little bit more extra access in the box, just in case if we do anything else. I can get rid of some of this other access. We'll do it right about here. Because we don't need all this access. Let's see here. Because we're going to have to get this to fit in here too. It's kind of complicated here. Okay, let's see. So now you should see we have 2 wires in our box. So we have the one wire coming in and the one wire coming out from the box. So the wire coming in, this is the wire coming in from the box. So let's see. So as you remember, peel it back so you kind of you can get this. Okay, I'll peel this back a little. So we'll work with this right here. I might have did a little too much access, but I just want to have like enough, you know, just in case if I was ever gonna update this or whatever, you know. So that's why there's kind of a lot of excess in here. I think we'll probably use the caps that they gave us. If not, I have some. Let's see here. I think we'll cut these down just a little bit. They're a little too long. Yeah, that should work. I think that'll work out just fine, and then we'll so we'll start stripping. Okay. Start stripping. Okay. Oops. Hold up. Okay, got that. And now we gotta strip this other one. Let me see if it's still recording. Yep. Just want to make sure it's not cutting off while I'm doing this. Almost got it. Yeah, this can be a little bit challenging to peel this off, but it's kind of just how it is. Almost got it. Okay, I think that's about good right there. Okay. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Okay. So we got our wires coming in, our wires coming out. We gotta strip these too, by the way. Almost forgot to do that. And let's strip this one. Make sure they're pretty good. Okay, so now you can see we got those all stripped. Okay, so we'll work with the wires coming in and the wires coming out. So let's see. So let's start with the wires coming in. So here's our switch right here. So it didn't, I think it said it didn't really matter how this is connected. Okay, all the whites are connected. So let's start with the simplest solution here. If we can get this to fit it all in here, it's a little crammed. Okay, let's start with the simplest solution. Oops, why is that not fitting? Hold on. I might need to cut those out. Cut them out. Let me see. Yeah, try that. Let's try that, because... Alright. White to white. This is kind of challenging. Yeah, I should have not did this, because this is like... I should have not did the wire connection like that. It's a little messed up, but... Hopefully that's not a problem. might be a problem. I might have to fix that. Make sure your wires are nice and tight, nice and firm. Okay, take that one off. I kind of hope this fits in here. I might have to redo this. Yeah, I'm gonna need the wire cap box. Okay, so let's tie this last wire in. Oops. Make sure it's on there. What? Okay, something happened there. Oh, what? Okay. I don't know why it's not threading. Hold up. Okay. There we go. Now we can easily, let's see. Might want a little overboard with the connections. Got it. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna actually redo this, so. Okay, stay tuned for part 7. So I'm gonna redo this, but I'm gonna cut it, and then I'm gonna show you what it looks like in part 7. So anyways, thanks for watching and have a great day.